Arigo versus Swift, GR number 206510, September 16, 2014. Facts. In January 2013, the USS Guardian ran aground the south shoal of the Tubataha Reef in Palawan. Thereafter, the U.S. Navy-led salvage team proceeded in salvaging the ship around the reef. In April 2013, the petitioners filed a petition for the issuance of a writ of kalikasan before the Supreme Court. They impleaded respondent Scott Swift, who was the 7th U.S. Fleet Commander, and some others in the petition. Petitioners claim that the grounding, salvaging, and post-salvaging operations of the USS Guardian cause and continue to cause environmental damage in different provinces surrounded by the Sulu Sea, which events violate their constitutional rights to a balanced and healthful ecology. They also sought a directive for the institution of civil, criminal, and administrative suits for the acts committed in violation of environmental laws in connection with the grounding incident. Ultimately, they wanted particular provisions of the Visiting Forces Agreement be declared unconstitutional. On the other hand, the respondents asserted that the issuance of a writ of kalikasan has become fait accompli because the salvaging operations of the USS Guardian has been completed. Further, the petition improperly raises issues involving the VFA. Issue: whether or not the court has jurisdiction over the U.S. respondents. Held. The Supreme Court ruled in the negative. The court held that while the doctrine of state immunity prohibits only suits against the state without its consent, it is also applicable to complaints filed against officials of the state for acts allegedly performed by them in the discharge of their duties. The rule is that if the judgment against such officials will require the state itself to perform an affirmative act to satisfy the same, the suit must be regarded as against the state itself, although it has not been formally impleaded. In the present case, the U.S. respondents were sued in their capacity, which is official, as commanding officers of the U.S. Navy who had control and supervision over the USS Guardian. The grounding incident took place while they were performing official military duties. Considering the satisfaction of a judgment against said officials will require remedial actions and appropriations of funds by the U.S. government, the suit is deemed to be won against the U.S. itself. Therefore, the principle of state immunity bars the exercise of jurisdiction by the court over the U.S. respondents. The petition is denied.